Good afternoon and welcome to the London Film Museum. Very pleased to have you join us today for our Precision Workstation launch. My name is Neil Hands. I'm the General Manager of our Performance PC and Tablet divisions inside of Dell. Dell's always been a company that listens to its customers. And we've continued to evolve over the years that we've been in business, and we'll continue to do so in the future. Today we're evolving to being much more of an end-to-end solutions provider, being able to offer capabilities not just from product, but to software, solutions, and services. Precision happens to be a great example of how we've been doing that for a long time, and I think you'll see as we go through this, how some of the examples of the way we integrate our products, our customers, and our partners really shows that we will continue to be a leadership company. As I look at our precision business, there are really three key tenets that we look at to make sure that we're delivering the right kind of value to our customers. First and foremost, since the beginning of this product line, it's been about performance. The never-ending need to be able to actually have more performance to deliver more and more capability for the new ideas that people are coming up with. We're continuing to partner with companies like Intel and others to make sure that we can continue to deliver on that metric. Dependability is partly around the product, but partly around the way we partner with our customers and with our ISV partners to make sure that the solution that's delivered to the customer is as complete and capable as it can be and as reliable out of the box as anybody in the industry could possibly deliver. And lastly, smart design. Really looking at how we're figuring to make sure that as products evolve and usages evolve, that we've got the right products and solutions to go do that. You'll see examples today as we look at virtualization and moving the compute into a data center, or as we look at smaller products, how we actually are optimizing the environment in front of an individual workstation user. The important thing really is about our customers, and we focus on them in different vertical segments. We're here at the London Film Museum, a very auspicious location, really looking at all of the most creative professionals that exist across the world, coming up with great new movies, great new TV shows. In the end, at the core, are some of the most creative professionals in the world, and our job in the precision line of business at Dell is to free them up to make the impossible happen. Allow the creative professional to make the impossible happen. That's what we focus on, and that's how we will continue to drive this business going forward. Apart from customers, a critical part of the way we work in the market is with software partners. We started this business many years ago, partnering with a few number of select ISVs. We've continued to expand that list over time. And today, that allows us to make the most creative things, as I said earlier. And it continues to evolve. And that's what's driving our need for performance. If I look at the movie industry, we've moved from high definition, I guess we moved from 35mm film to high definition, to 4K, to 8K filming. The data requirements on those kinds of things continue to expand. The partnerships with the ISVs are long-term and really influence what we're doing on our products and how we bring products to market for our customers. It is a very close partnership that involves us understanding and having deep technical conversations with them, deep conversations about customer needs, real understanding of what they're trying to do in their software stacks to make sure that we're delivering capabilities there. A specific example of that was our recently announced Dell performance optimization tools. These are an industry-first standard way of optimizing the performance gains for particular applications. So this is fully automatic, the first in the industry to do that, to be able to increase the performance in specific applications, like SolidWorks, Adobe, who are here today as a partner. And as you can see, from a baseline out of the box, you can gain over 50% performance gain by being able to click on a button and let our software install the optimized sets of drivers, optimized settings for individual applications. But what it really means is allowing customers to get the maximum they can out of an individual system that they purchase from us, and be able to make sure that over time, it's always going to be as good as it can possibly be. That's an example of how we will continue to innovate in this market. I'm particularly proud looking at this timeline because I was actually involved back in 1996 writing the business plan that allowed us to go to the board and say, we want to get into what at the time was a market dominated by RISC Unix systems. And within 2 years, we were #1 in this market, had changed really the usage of the systems. And between 1997, when we first launched, and today in 2013, we've had a continuous series of firsts. We were the first in 2008 to actually move the compute platform from underneath the desk back into the server farm, where it's a lot easier to manage secure data, etc. And what I'm really proud of being able to do today is introduce a couple of my colleagues who are going to show you how we're going to continue that kind of focus on our products as we go forward.